Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. You made another week. Let's go in and get these trades in, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. What I had come on through. I brought some GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC, GSBD. Got down to $8.99 today. I picked up some shares, had a buy limit order. 13.97% dividend yield. 52-week low 892 with a high of 1332. Got down to 899 today. So this goes up and down. So after the ex-dividend date, it comes down. People sell it. I put a buy order in, 25 shares for 899. So that's how I'm moving there. And while I'm here, go get me $3 worth. What else did I get? Had a buy order limit for Clip came in. I had some at $29 and $29.29. Said $29.41. Go get a little piece of that. There's always a buy at that 31 and under price. Bringing out my average cost, man. 80.7 shares at $35 now. Just pay 60 to 68 cents a share every month. Another one, WMT, had some of that, got brought today. Just got down to 121.23. I already went and brought $10 worth. Anytime Walmart pull back, you better buy. Just got a 52-week high of $135. Amazon beat Walmart out for the number one the retailer. But it's all good. Walmart never gonna be too far behind. Got OXLC 40 cents a share a month before they reduce it to 20. Got down to 903 today. Go and get a little piece of that. I brought some OPP. Pays out every month, $7.89. I'm at $7.91, so I'm a chill. But I brought in another portfolio because I got a higher average cost in it. CRF, another one 11 cent, 11.2 cent a share a month. Got down to $6.89 when I brought some of that today. You can buy right here or go in at $6.89. Also, it's sister brother CLM. 748. I'll probably chill on this one today. Down to 715. I did put a buy limit order in for 715. Does pay out monthly also. Definitely one to have for cash flow. PCF. Brought some of this at $6.04 today. I got an average cost of 604 at 603, so I'm gonna chill on that. But I brought in another portfolio because I got an average cost of almost $7. That's why it's on my list. SRLN. I buy $10 to $20 of this every day. 7.7% dividend yield. 25 cents a share every month. IWMY. Options on the Russell 2000 pay out every week. I only buy this at 20 and under. $3 worth right there. Get some QQQY. 22.23 pays out every week also. Before that go back above the $23 mark, that trade the NASDAQ 100. Arbor Realty, 30 cents a share every quarter, got down to 740. Got a buy limit order at 731. We'll get one share at 740. Might get five. I'm gonna get 3, 7.40. Now I'm gonna get 5. Quarterly paying REIT. Gonna be a nice swing trade also. Medifast, y'all stay out of this one. Trade myself up out of this. On PFLT, got down to 836. Say they payout dividend payout ratio is high, but which every REIT it is. I'm going at 836. What this got down to. Pay out 10 a share every month. 10 cents a share every month. So if I load up on stuff, got to be stocks I want to buy and keep. I'm at 961. I want to get me 500 shares. 10 cents a share. That'd give me what? $50 a month. Right now I got say pay 10.2 cents a share, 257 shares. Just buying up cash flow, man. $1.32. LFT. I just brought 5 shares of that. Gonna go get another 5 at this price. Cheap stock. 17% dividend yield. Pay out every quarter. I'm doing a swing trade on it. Is it volatile right now? I would say yes. Got HPP. Stay out of this one. Another one need to trade myself up out of. OXSQ down to 175 today. 3.5 cents a share a month. Gonna pick 5 shares of that up. Another one I like, earn, pay out every month. 8 cents a share every month, got down to $4.97. Put a buy limit order in there. Gonna pick up another 5 shares at that price. Definitely a nice buy-in price to start a position. So far, when it got $10 worth of that already, got down to $18.65. Y'all go pick up some of that. You know, that's the bank of the future. For y'all that's down in this one, IIPR, pay out every quarter. It's a REIT, marijuana REIT. They rent out warehouses to marijuana growers. 16.39% dividend yield, 52-week high, 75.49, which you probably never gonna see again. But I'm gonna make my exit out of that one probably. I got it in my Cash App portfolio. I'm limited on dividend stocks in there. See, Wendy's coming down some, $7.92. Wendy's got earnings today too. Today the 20th. Yep. Got Hood when they brought some of that. You got to get a piece of that every day. Don't load up on it. Definitely one I believe in for the future. Netflix, another one. Growth stock on its way up. Got AMZN, Amazon. The number 1 retailer now, beat out Walmart. And you got COF, Capital One. Now down to 202.30. 52-week high is 260. So definitely get you some of that. Let's check YMAX and YMAG. See what the Magnificent 7 doing with YMAG. Nope, making its way back up. Magnificent 7 doing better for the day. I'm at 1371. Do my due diligence there. YMAX. Watching this one from the side. 851. What's the 52-week low? 831. So right now I'm just chilling on it. Just collecting my dividends and putting them in other places. I'm just gonna side eye, see what it does. Buy some in another portfolio. I said I'm not loading up no more on this one. So I'm gonna go a couple weeks and just get that dividend. But that's something you can put on a day recurring those too. I can still go in and get me $2 here. You know, that kind of deal. Like today. But if y'all don't want to watch, you can put it on the recurring investments. Nice one to have for cash flow. Anyway, man, let's check our traps so we can get on out of here. PSEC sell limit order I got in at 313. But if not, I just take the dividends every month till I get what I want to exit. Got New Tech. Dang, Leggett and Platt down 4.08%. Nice little discount right there. Do not buy Leggett and Platt. Nope, that is an old company. I just keep it for a dividend. It's Highland or Highwoods 23. I'm at 28. Not a bad one to have. 8.5% yield. 2.6 billion. 52-week low 21.56 with a high 32.76. Is this an office REIT? Let me see. Rental office properties. That's why it's down. Stay out of this one. I don't like nothing dealing with office. I think they need to buy all those office properties and just renovate them into real estate apartments or something. DOCs. That's what we got. Denver, Colorado. 52 high 21.28 with a low of 15.71. Market cap good. 12 billion. 7.15% yield. And this office REIT. Real estate, crown, outpatient medical. Which laboratory and office space. Yep, stay out of this one. I don't know what you're doing, but yep, go back and do what I need you to do, Robinhood. Bring out my average cost in this one. Let's go down the list. SCM had bad earnings yesterday. This pay out every month. At 14.77% yield. Damn, the Dow down 5%. I should still be up. I'm good right there. Keep that for a dividend play. Aries Capital. G94. Leave that alone. SRC at 15 and under. 10 cents a share every month. TCPC, OBDC, all these dang on they call BDCs, business development companies. Gonna get rid of Comcast. Think about making my exit out of land too. They ain't up but like a 5% yield. But it's consistent though. make my decision on that. I got a lot of REITs, so got Nike down today, but need to come around that $60 mark. We did do ABR already, Redwood Trust. About to be bailing out of that one. 618, 642. And that's about to come back down. MFA Financial, 1002, 1035. Just pick up a little piece since I'm here. All right, we got GSBD, Oak Tree Lending. By that, well, that's down $3 off. Well, 3% off. 1.65, $3 off the whole share from the 52-week high. Got that Walmart, man. Walmart is cheap today. Definitely stealing that at this price, man. Ain't gonna even lie to you. I know it's about $30 on Walmart. That's cheap. You see, anytime it pull back, you better buy Glad, another one. 1815, Gladstone Capital. This is the BDC version. Pay out every month. 10.59% dividend yield. I think I'm gonna get out of see, we did do Wendy's. Some more of that. Wendy's is undervalued. They closing down stores, so they turning around stuff. I think they're actually gonna have a great quarter. For the next quarter or the next two. Not probably next quarter, but just gonna be quarter one they're gonna be doing. But like on quarter two, that's why I'm looking at it at. Like I say, earn 8 cents a share a month. Y'all go get y'all some of that. 8 cents a share every month. That usually always trades around $5.25. They must have just had an ex-dividend date. Bull SoFi, we got all that stuff. Got HPP, AIYY. If I get this, I got this on a $1 recurring though, but I also pay out every week. Just look at Fiat. Yep, leave it alone. Still too high. That GOF got to be, I like that at 12 and under. Well, 1208 ain't bad if I'm at 1205. Pay out every month also. RPT 1458. Waiting on this to ride up. It's had good earnings. People just selling this for no reason. Got a 10% yield every quarter. And that's Rhythm. And that's it. Like I said, the only thing I'm gonna do different, I'm thinking about putting a sell order in right here on land. I guess I can get high yield from other places. I do like Gladstone products for their consistency though, to be honest. But a 5% dividend yield, I got better odds in other places. Got this is a whole 1192. So I'm about to put a sell order in at 1192. $79 shares, 11.92. Yep. So I take that money when that ride back up, get that dividend until then. Enjoy your weekend. Signing off. Go get your money. Y'all watch my shorts, man. I'm putting up new shorts. Doing my daily growth stock buys and my daily cash flow buys too, man. So like I say, man, I will lead you to the promised land, especially if you're trying to retire early, but no risk it, no biscuit. Go get your money.